Rashidi was going to say something, but pulled up from Mateo, and he's clammed up tight. Yeah, he was intimidated for sure.
Veľmi milé.
What's the deal with this Mateo kid? Mateo Cabrera? Repeated 9th and 11th grades, always in trouble. Yeah, fist fights, bullying. Last year, he was suspended for starting fires in a trash can on school grounds. Anybody know where Mateo was when it all went on? I'll pull the schedule. He had a free period right after chem lab. Could have been anywhere. I also found out he was one of
No, však nedojdem radšej. Zostanem tuto, kde som. Ja.
See if he's got an alibi.
Chápec.
Talk to him. No, you've got to lock him up.
Ešte by to horelo.
We don't have forensics yet that makes this an arson. You can't charge somebody without a crime. The other students could have been killed by this kid. And now they got to sit next to him in class? No, that's crazy. Just Bolton, I'm with you. I will do what I can.
You get a confession out, you don't use friends.
Okay.
Neodchádzame, takže všetci povinne na Ingo and TikTok polajkovať príspevky. Pekný kníh ešte. Ďakujem veľmi pekne. Áno, tak jak bolo povedané. Akože fakt, že sa nudím. Ak mi to používaš, nepoužívam make-up, používam iba korektor. A ten si dávam, že je na vrbu, od očí a na čelo. A to je, že všetko.
What is this thing?
Mám na make-up. Ja som staršia, jak vyzerám. Prisahám. Ty zase nic neniesol, pezinka. Neviem, ale fakt, prisahám, však mám 19 rokov za mesiac. Pezinok to je bardzo... No, není to Boh vie, jak veľké mesto. Koľko mi je? No, 18 za mesiac, 19.
Keep the momentum moving, okay? Okay. You're gonna do great. All right? Just take some practice. You're really lucky.
Že poza roky som moje tichšie.
Family.
Nechodím do party moc. Čo ti šije, jaké vrásky.
Hey there.
Hey, you're still in Chicago.
For another week or so. Don't forget your nose.
It's not the kind of thing that slips my mind.
Good.